To facilitate the axis creation in the drawing environment, we have a specific command. So selecting the axis command will have all those different functions. Here we can make a simple axis and already add a center line, for example. We can draw a conic axis, selecting the option and adding a second diameter. Besides all of the options, we can choose the reference if we'd like it to be a point or a line. If you'd like it to be a chamfer axis, you just need to add an angulation and the size of the chamfer. Last but not least, it's also possible to make this chamfer sectioned, like this. Enjoy all the advantages of being a pro user. Download SolidFace Professional on the description's link. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.